Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the photo you want on your Apple Watch and preparing it correctly. On your iPhone, open Photos, crop to square, or use 1:1 for best framing. This reduces surprises when displayed. Once done, mark it as a favorite or add it to a dedicated album. That album syncs easily. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch remain paired and connected via Bluetooth or the same Wi-Fi network, so the image can transfer without interruption. You now sync the prepared album to the watch through the Watch app. Tap Photos, then Synced Album, and pick the album you created. This tells the watch which images to copy. Once selected, set a photos limit, 1 for a single face or 10/100 for variety, so you manage space. After you choose, the iPhone pushes images to the watch. Monitor the Watch app to confirm transfer, and, if needed, leave both devices close together until sync completes to avoid partial uploads. You finish by making the photo the watch face and checking settings. Press and hold the current watch face, tap New, choose Photos, and pick the synced image or album, then set complications and use pinch or drag to adjust framing. Once applied, glance to verify clarity and contrast. Some photos need brightness or contrast tweaks on iPhone for legibility. If the image doesn't appear, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled, reselect the synced album, or as a last resort unpair, and repair the watch to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.